everyone. Myself Arpan Panigrahi. I am from Krishna House. My today's topic is floods. Floods are the most natural disaster. It is caused by heavy rains, melting of snow, collapse of dams and landslides. Floods measurement machine is called stream gauge. Effects of floods are loss of human life and animals, damage of crops and properties, affect transport and communication system, and due to waterlogging, it spread various diseases. Following are the points to control floods. Construct flood barriers. There should be an effective natural flood management system, sustainable drainage system, introduce water storage area,